Respectively means one by one in order. So when we mention two things and then we mention two numbers, respectively tells us that the first number belongs to the first thing and the second number belongs to the second thing. A very simple example. If I say Ram and Sham are 30 and 25 years old respectively, it means Ram is 30 and Sham is 25. In these tables, in 1900, Manhattan had a population of about 1.8 million, and the other districts had a population of about 1.5 million. In this sentence, we first mention the two places and then the two numbers. Respectively means the first number is for the first place and the second number is for the second place. We also have the word respective. Respective has the same basic idea as respectively, but it is used in a different sentence structure. Respectively is used at the end of a sentence. Respective is used in the sentence before a noun. So the logic is the same.